And there's another confirmed case of bird flu in eastern Carolina, this time in a backyard flock in Dare County. Dare County health officials confirmed the case this morning, and the North Carolina Department of Agriculture has completed a depopulation of the flock in coordination with the owner. This is the first lab confirmed case of bird flu in Dare County. In January, a commercial operation in Hyde County with 3.3 million birds was found to have the flu. The USDA says there's been more than a dozen confirmed cases of bird flu in wild birds in our part of the state. Those included 12 cases in Hyde County and one in each in Beaufort and Terrell counties.